Now wow, this pikin don't remain to sleep, they never break. Okay. This scam pikin, you go sleep till everybody don't wake up. Every pikin for this compound don't wake up. Okay.
Yes, Mama.
Hey, you want remain for bed? They never break. When you go come outside, come do housework.
Hey.
Nice, you won't sleep till the next day. When don't be die, you die. Okay.
Mama, even my future said never even wake up. Oh. Mama never sleep fine.
Even your future never wake up. The sleep never do anything. So you go sleep till 11 o'clock. Carry book, go carry that book, read the sleep.
Okay, Mama.
Do am fast. Which kind of this one? Sweep that compound very well, oh. Sweep am very, very, very fine. Your future never wake up. Sweep am, go that side, don't sweep sand, come for me. This time when they tell you to do something, your future. Don't know how your future wants to wake up. Gather them there, gather them for that place. Gather them there, may go fetch me water and wash. Gather, I said gather the cheat there.
I dey come now.
Gather them, pack them. Go throw away, come carry bucket, go bring me water for house, my wash clothes. Enter house, go bring me water, my wash clothes. Enter house, fast. Fast. Bring me water. Keep am here. No fit full bucket. So I dey give you because I say you may bring me water. Go inside house and put soup for fire. Go turn am. If that soup burn, I go burn you. Go turn that soup. You don't turn am.
Mama don't turn am.
What kind of person go send you face happy?
Mama no go leave person make e rest. See why we come. Hey, okay, wash plate, sweep house. Do man just dey find person trouble oh. God, I think no go want my mama oh. I need woman right oh. I go relocate oh. Make the woman no try me oh. Every time person go dey wash plate.
Okay, come here. Wetin dey talk there?
Mama no talk give you now.
Say you wan relocate.
I no talk give you, I dey talk to myself.
You know no, say the only place where you go relocate na inside my kitchen, and then you go relocate enter. You no get another place to relocate. You hear wetin I tell you?
Me I no talk give you.
No go anywhere, go carry plate come wash so I go use am for food. You wan relocate because of dey send you small work. Carry that plate come fast. Wash and clean. Man no see soap for the plate. Don't stand there wash am. Stand there dey wash am. Every time no one work, but the one chop. Okay. You never wash that plate on.
I dey come now.
I think that water wey you wan take wash am be clean.
You clean.
Oya rinse am fast. Wait. Oya, throw that water, carry am inside fast. Throw that water, carry am inside. They bounce like bouncing ball. Because na small play wey I tell you make you wash. Now they vex, they bounce up and down. Go keep that soap, you come outside fast.